Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is a tour of your science Schoology page. Again, I'm going to do this in the 6th grade science page, but it's applicable to 7th and 8th grade as well. So let me go ahead and go to my Schoology page for science. You'll see when you open it up, it's very much like the math applications page, but it's got some different buttons. So let's take a look. We have our weekly lesson plan. Again, if you click on this, this will tell you what we're doing for the week. It looks very similar to math. It tells you what we do every day. The only catch is that for 6th grade, we don't meet on Thursday. So make sure that you check your schedules to make sure what days we do meet. The HMH website, this is the online component of our multimodal curriculum. So we have our paper book, and then we have our online curriculum. So you'll see that I'm signed in to United States, Texas, and Christ Academy. And then the username and password, it's your first dot last name, and then the same password that you use to get into your computer. And as I open this, mine's going to look just a little bit different than yours. It'll say, welcome back, whoever you are. If you click the Discover, you should be able to get to where you need to get. Now, this is important. Right now, we're in Module J in 6th grade. In 7th grade, we're in Module K, and this is how we change it. In 8th grade, we're in Module L. So let me go back to chemistry, where 6th grade is at. And these are all of the different units, and you can see the different lessons in each unit. So let's see, if you want to open the student book, obviously you don't have the teacher book, but that is not what I wanted. So sorry. Let's go back. Let's exit. The student book is actually a little bit difficult to find, so let me help you with that. If you come over here to all resources, and then instead of clicking the student ebook, click the print student edition PDF. That's where you're gonna go. And then you'll open this, and it should be just the same book that well, I think this is the first 20 pages, so you'll have to go back and go to the actual lesson. So let's see. So here's the properties of matter lesson. If you open this, this will be the first lesson. This is also linked on Schoology, and I'll show you where that's at. But this is your HMH. There's virtual labs. You should actually have a pre-test that's assigned to you. You have a assignment place. We'll talk about that in class. But let's go back here. I'm trying out IXL for science. It's on a trial basis. We'll see if we like it or not. So this button may actually go away. Test reviews are here. Early finisher stuff, mostly Wonderopolis. Also some Quizlet or Kahoot can be there. The syllabus for the class is here. If I click on that, it should open the syllabus, and this has lots of information about what we do during class, late work, how to contact me, that kind of stuff. And then live lesson recordings. This is supposed to take you to the Microsoft team that we're in, and okay, or maybe not. There we go. And the recordings will be in files on your team. So you can see this is last year's recordings, and then our recordings will be here once we have them. Okay, so if we go on past down the buttons, you'll see the first day of school tour, where we have what do we do with our supplies, emergency procedures, and how to take science notes from the book. Here's our weekly lesson planner if you don't want to use the button. Here's where you'll access all of your all of our activities, our labs, the notes, etc. So you won't be able to see any of this, but if we click on that and then we click on that, and I think I did this in the video with the notes, you'll be able to see all of this, everything that's not in gray. So let's go back and let's go beyond the buttons. You'll see student resources, and student resources, you're going to see the syllabus, and then again, another link to the website, just in case sometimes we forget how to get there. And then lastly, early finishers. Most of this is Wonderopolis type stuff. Right now it's empty because we don't have any early finishers just yet. So if you have any questions, please let me know.